30-day iFit membership included. Stream live and on-demand workouts on your equipment with global workouts and studio classes. Elite trainers adjust your equipment $15 value. Closing parenthesis. Maximum horsepower 3 horsepower, 10% one-touch incline control, 10 mph smart one-touch speed control with iFit. Your trainer auto-adjusts your speed and incline through a smart Bluetooth connection. Smart response motor for effective speed, interval, and endurance training. 20x55 tread belt offers plenty of leg and elbow space as you run. Flex Select deck cushioning protects your joints. Innovative space-saver design with ease lift assist means your treadmill can fold up after your run. For compact, simple storage. Auxiliary music port and dual 2-inch speakers provide entertainment. 300-pound user capacity. Protected with a 10-year frame assurance, 2-year parts assurance, and 1-year labor assurance. 54HX36WX73.5L if you want to buy this product. The link is given in the description.
Large 16 inches x50 walking. Running surface accommodates users of many sizes and stride lengths. 110 volts cord. Outlet power source. LCD silver. Not backlit display. Intuitive 5 LCD display is easy to read and keeps you updated on speed, incline, time, distance, calories, and pulse. 12 preset programs and 3 manual incline settings offer unmatched variety for your workouts. Easy pull knob releases the deck to fold or unfold for convenient storage when not in use. If you want to buy this product, the link is given in the description. Immersive music experience. Axen walking pad treadmill with built-in Bluetooth speakers on the right side. You can connect to your favorite music while running, jogging, or walking at home or in the office. Let the music bring you infinite energy and dopamine for a great mood throughout the day. Powerful motor. The desk treadmill features a 2 to 5 HP motor, providing a smooth and seamless running experience even at high speeds. It is built to be stable and reliable, with a maximum weight capacity of 220 pounds, ensuring your satisfaction during workouts. Comprehensive data display. The LCD screen shows multiple exercise data, helping you monitor your workout progress in real time. It also offers manual speed control, allowing you to free your hands while exercising. Comfortable running experience. The portable treadmill designed with a 5-layer anti-slip belt and 8 silicone shock absorbers. It reduces the impact on your knees, ensuring knee protection during running. With a speed range from 0.6 to 3.8 mph, you can freely switch between walking and running to meet your different exercise needs. Portable design. The under-desk treadmill is compact and only 5.5 inches thick, minimizing space occupation. Soft XTERRA. It can be placed under the sofa, bed, or in a corner of the living room. Equipped with built-in transport wheels, it can be easily moved and stored. If you want to buy this product, the link is given in the description.
Excellent cardio benefits. This affordable treadmill will help you start your fitness journey. Walking can significantly improve mental and physical health. The compact design of the treadmill will get you into shape regardless of home size. Batteries included? Yes. Compact and ergonomic. This compact, lightweight treadmill is excellent for small spaces. Running surface, 42 inches x 13 inches. The treadmill is durable and can withstand power walking or light jogging. LCD monitor. Track fitness progress on the easy-to-read digital monitor. Treadmill monitor displays time, speed, distance, calories. Non-electric, space-saving. Treadmill machine requires no electric outlet needed and remains low maintenance. Easy folding functionality and transportation wheels allow easy mobility and storage. Non-slip running surface. Feel safe and secure on the smooth belt. 220 pounds maximum user weight. Included components: treadmill, user manual. Incline degrees, 10.4 degrees. If you want to buy this product, the link is given in the description. Explore destinations around the world and discover 50+ global routes that auto-adjust in real time to your speed. Explore the world subscription required. Blue backlit LCD display features 16 workout programs and 2 user profiles. 10% motorized incline. 20-inch x 55-inch running path with soft track cushioning system for a smooth run. Speed up to 10 miles per hour. Integrated heart rate contacts grips. Soft drop folding technology provides a gentle descent and rolls away for easy storage. Charging USB port to keep phones, tablet or music players at full battery life. Maximum user weight is 275 pounds. Warranty is 10 years motor and frame, 1 year mechanical and electrical, and 1 year labor. If you want to buy this product, the link is given in the description.